So this is the extra tutorial. It has some extensions and it has some ways to really push your position paper above and beyond. If you are one of those students that this has been easy for you, then this is the tutorial for you. So please make sure you take a look at this. The website that I'm at is www.apsva.us/page/12903. And this is coming from an IB Model UN course. So basically you're doing exactly what you've done before, and you can read through this. It talks about paragraph 1 is the issue and position. It's the context. It generally describes the issue, which you already know. It gives your country's policy, which you already know. And it states specifically why your country supports this policy. It's often short, and honestly this section should not exceed 5 to 6 sentences. So in this section, you'd include some facts, in-text citations, push your paper above and beyond, and pretty much using nice transitions like next, therefore, because of this, in addition. Using sentence starters like that will just make your paper flow a lot better. In the detailed background information section, which is examining the issues, it's specific historical origins. It relates it to the international community. It talks about previous actions that your committee or your country has taken. And it talks about, this is the key, successes and failures of past actions. So if you go into those successes and failures, you're going above and beyond. One thing that this website does not include is the fact that having a quote from a leader of your country pushes the paper to a new level. So include a quotation from some major big shot from your country, and the readers will be floored. In that last one, it's looking ahead, the proposed solutions. This is where it's all about mechanics. So go ahead and read through this. Mechanically, your position paper should follow the guidelines set forth by the conference. 1-inch margin, size 12 font, Times New Roman, 1 page in length. It says, I would recommend a few guidelines, though, to make your paper look and read professionally. First, limit your position paper to 1 page, which we know, and do not write about more than one topic. So there's only one topic that we're writing about, so you're good to go. Second, place the heading at the top of your paper, which you already know how to do. And as far as professional, it says, feel free to place a picture of your country's flag in the header if you so desire. So I'm going to go to my email, and I'm going to show you, actually I'm going to go to my Dropbox, and I'm going to show you an example of having that flag or some sort of seal in your position paper. So hopefully this opens up quickly. And we've got a paper from last year that's opening up right now. It's an exemplar. It did really well in the conference. It's a middle school paper, so it's not going to be the same as yours. Yours should be a little bit better. But as far as the professional formatting, this was awesome. So at the very top, this is the heading. Oops. This is the heading. To make a heading, you can go to Insert, and hopefully the computer will speed up and catch up with me, and click Header. Now when you click header, what I did for this is I clicked the type of header where there was 1, 2, 3 sections, this blank 3-column model, and then I just deleted the text. I wrote Model UN position paper at the top. It didn't really ruin anything for me. I put the UN logo, which I just copied and pasted from Google, and then I put the seal of the country. Well, I didn't actually. This was done by Abby and Lauren, but if you we'll just make it a little bit smaller, and if you notice this, it just looks really, really professional. So you can go above and beyond by doing that as well. So that's what I would suggest for going above and beyond. Go ahead and submit if you're good to go, and thank you so much for at least taking the opportunity to do that. Once again, read it out loud, check to make sure that you've used good words, sentence starters, complete sentences, proper grammar, and thank you.